Oh, we're doing it, baby. We're going on strike. We're going on strike against the $3 orders. This is what I've been saying for years now. It's been years that I've been making these videos trying to tell everyone to not take $3 orders. And for some odd reason, people still take them. But I think we're going on strike now. But I feel bad for the people that are not in the loop. So for those of you who don't follow these groups, which is actually me because I don't follow any of these Doordash groups or anything, shout out to Toro or Hex MX on Instagram for sending me. It's called Organized Doordash Drivers Decline Now. Hashtag Decline Now or hashtag Decline Now strategy is driving up their pay. About damn time, you know, like the fact that people are even accepting $3 orders and the fact that Doordash is even offering $3 orders, man, that's like giving people credit cards or something, you know? Like, it's just like you're giving people that don't understand how the system works orders and opportunities that they don't quite understand, because if you're not experienced in this, you're taking like pretty much every order or something, you know? You're wasting your time because you really have to consider like wear and tear, how much gas you're spending, risk of your business, because you're your own business. You crash or anything, that's on you. That's not on Doordash. They're not helping you out. You have to take these things into consideration. So that's why I'm always telling people that you have to accept orders at least $1 per mile, and if not, I do only $2 a mile. So if I'm going to take any order, it's got to be $8 for 4 miles or better, unless it is super convenient. And I've said this a million times, so I'm not going to preach it anymore. If you guys want any tips, my Doordash cheat codes video, I'll link it in the description. It's got all my best tips and tricks for you guys to make more money. Now, excuse me, let's get into this video. So, using a loophole in an old Android version on Doordash, more than 26,000 Doordash drivers have collectively using a loophole, and I'm trying to figure out what that has to do with it. Okay, they're using or declining cheap orders to make more money on the platform. Okay, that's just brains, like it's just obvious, you know, like you shouldn't be. For me, it's obvious because I've been doing it for a few years, but you should not be taking orders that are very cheap because, yeah, you're just wasting your time. Doordash delivery drivers in a Facebook group with more than 26,000 are working together to decline low-paying orders. You just said that. A move, they say, is significantly driving up their average pay per order. Over the past few years, Doordash drivers have adopted a wide variety of strategies to earn a living on the platform. Some drivers simply accept every order, while others evaluate strictly on a per mile basis. Damn, did I start this? I'm just saying, I've been doing these videos for 3 years, and maybe I started it, maybe other people have been doing it, but man, I feel like I started this. Maybe not. I'm just saying, I've been doing these videos for 3 years. One group may refuse to take trips with no tip, while others hew to, what's the HEW? I don't even know what that means. Hew to strategies that refuse orders below certain minimum trips that can't satisfy a certain level of expenses, or pursue a combination of multiple selective criteria to increase pay themselves. The Decline Now strategy is aimed to pushing base pay up for drivers for Doordash that are collecting to the Doordash app's algorithm, to exercising their right to choose which platform they accept on. Yeah, so basically, this is what I've been preaching for pretty much since I started my whole YouTube channel. You gotta get multiple apps, and you've gotta be doing like different apps at a time, because that way you have more opportunities, and it's only gonna increase, or the only thing that's gonna do is force apps like Doordash and Grubhub and Postmates to actually step up their game and pay you more. When they're paying you these shitty rates like $3 an order and all that stuff, like, man, that's some bullshit. Like, people should not have the option of accepting those, because the only people that are going to take them are like, you just don't, I don't want to say like dumb, but like you just don't understand how it all works yet, or you're just completely desperate for money and you still don't understand that if you take a $3 order, you're essentially still wasting your time, you know? So I'm glad to see that this is finally starting to form, and people, I don't know, where is this Doordash group with 26,000 comment down below if you guys know where this Doordash group is with 26,000 people, because I should be in there. Because, yeah, I don't know. I guess it's probably on Facebook or Twitter or something. But, you guys, comment down below. That's my question of the day. Are you guys in the Facebook groups? And if you are, link them down in the below so that way I can see them. That's actually good, though, that people are, like, starting to communitize. Communitize, is that a word? Okay. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm making it up if it's not. Communitize and come together, because really that's what I've been saying. Like, we need like a union or something, because DoorDash drivers, like, you know, man, I feel bad because all these people that are in on the loop and get it and like follow my videos and like see the tips and are actually like smart and on top of shit, like, man, this is such a lucrative job. That's why I still do it, even though I like have 4 other sources of income. I still do it because I love doing it, and it's good extra money. Hold on. Panera Bread order. Should we take it? $5 for 3 miles? Nah. I would think about taking it, but it's going the opposite direction of the way I need to go. And yeah, anyways, so I'm glad that people are coming together, but I feel bad for the people who are out of the loop and are just new and are now going to be forced, like, they're going to be getting even more $3 orders, because the people that know what's up and like my subscribers and people that watch these videos know not to take these orders, because I've done many, like, not graphs and stuff, but like examples of why, like, you're essentially running up an escalator doing DoorDash. You know, sometimes you're making money, but you're actually going the opposite direction because you're wasting so much, like, either wear and tear on your car and gas and stuff, and sometimes that can add up to be actually more than you're actually making, especially when you consider risk and things. Because if you crash your car, we all know how that ends. Like, you're essentially screwed. So if you guys haven't yet, I will link this article down in the because I'm not going to read the whole thing. You guys got the idea of it, and I'm not a very good reader. I should definitely not be someone who reads audiobooks. But if you guys haven't yet, please consider liking this video, because it greatly helps out my channel, and also subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks in the future on how to make more money, whether it's business, investing, entrepreneurship, DoorDash, all these good things. That's what my channel is all about, is trying to help you guys out and give out as much free information as I possibly can. Now, there's people standing in front of my car staring at me like, what the heck is this guy doing talking to the camera? So I'm going to go, but if you guys haven't yet, check out my footwear company at offaxisacrobatics.com. Use discount code OFFAXISTanner for 30% off. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.